Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to get the fuzz back together and running. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I got the wastegate bracket on this morning. So I put some sealant on this plug here. So that should be nice and set now. So we can get everything back together and cleaned up and back on the car. I'm not going to start up tonight because it is already late. So I'm getting a late start on this one, so this upload is going to be about 12 hours late going up because I want to have it started, give it a bit of a rev, especially with the exhaust open, because we will have the Boxer Rumble back. So stop talking and let's do it. Alright, so we've got the little wastegate arm on there, that's tight. I ended up spinning this around 180, so now we've got the nipple from there to there. So pretty close for reference. So we'll obviously have a T off that for the boost control. Oh, that'll go to the boost. Yeah. Anyway, we'll sort that out once it's in the car. I need to clean up this side. And it's ready to go back in. Alright, turbo is back on and we have the water going back in. So we're going to put the oil on. I'm going to get the crossover pipe to the GT35 and yeah, go from there. Alright, the up pipe is on. We've got sealant on the back there, so we'll wait until the morning and we should be good to start it. I'm going to put the external gate on now and seal that, because that's an eBay piece, so it doesn't seal the best. Yeah, that was heaps easier to put on. There's more room, looks a lot neater down there now. We'll keep cracking on. Alright, wastegate is on. Got the sealant on there. Cleaned up the clamp and everything a lot better. But yeah, can't get that off. I believe it's time for a certain GT35 to go on now. Alright, GT35 is sitting on there. The 2-inch V-band clamp is not tight yet. We have coolant on, we have oil on, we have oil drain on, still loose. So we need to put the exhaust on, tighten that up, then we can tighten everything else up. So I need to jack the car up. Alright, exhaust is done. So I need to put in the O2 sensor and finish off the intercooler piping and plumb in the wastegate. Alright guys, it's all back together, I hope. Got a new clamp on here, it's a lot better now. Water's all tight, oil's tight. I'll have to put some more coolant in. I've changed over the boost solenoid for the internal gate because it's only got one valve there, so that has changed, as you can see. So this is the open port now. Yeah, we just got to wait for the sealants to cure overnight, and I'll come out around lunchtime, start it up, give it a good rev, and finish this episode for you guys. So guys, I'm going to head inside and call it a night, and I'll come out to start it up, make sure there's no leaks, and hear that rumble once again on my fuzz. See you in the morning. Alright guys, it's the next morning. I'm going to do a quick start up on it. Not going to run it for long because I need to find out where the coolant leak is. So that'll be next episode. So coolant leak, and we'll go out for a drive next episode. But let's start her up and hear that rumble again. I have a massive exhaust leak. Did I forget to do something? What massive exhaust leak. Pretty sure it's the up pipe. Pretty sure. Anywho, we'll get that fixed and we'll head out for a drive next episode. Enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.